Hi, I'm Carolyn, trichologist here at Absolute Hair Health Clinic. We've been talking over our last few videos a little about autoimmune, so it's a bit of a theme of our last newsletter. So today we're going to talk a bit more about food, autoimmune and also inflammation. So the driver of our immune system is our digestive system, or what they're realizing today and calling the microbiome. So if we have an attack going on, which we can see with microscopic diagnosis, so if we're talking about Alopecia areata, which is the patchy type of hair loss, or we're seeing a lot of this awful what we call frontal fibrosing alopecia, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis. So if we see that it's actually active, it's really important that we take some measures that are actually easy to do, which is your food, to remove the inflammation, because that's also triggering the autoimmune attack. So in the decades previous, we didn't really understand a lot about autoimmune, but science is really coming along and we can see that it's very strongly related to inflammation. But the other thing we're seeing is that it's related to deficiencies, stress, and definitely food allergies as well. So when we're talking about the deficiencies, the common ones that I see related to autoimmune when it's actually happening is iron, ferritin, B12 and vitamin D, just about every time I see those deficiencies. Now those elements of nutrition can come from your diet. So if you're eating food that's causing inflammation, it is actually triggering malabsorption at the same time. So it is really important when there is an autoimmune attack that you remove certain things. And the biggest ones is your gluten, which is generally found in wheat and some grains, your dairy because of the lactose and the casein, and also the sugar. So when gluten hits the stomach, it is causing all sorts of damage, and you just don't want that happening because it can lead to a leaky gut, the particles getting into your bloodstream, your body doesn't identify it, creates antibodies, and bang, you have an autoimmune attack. So, here at Absolute, we always do correct diagnosis, identify what's going on, teach you about it. Hopefully this stuff is temporary and we can correct it, but definitely we use a lot of dietary recommendations. We talk a lot about nutrition. We teach you to take control of that. We use your pH testing, food combining. It all makes a difference. It's a lot to learn, but we're here to help you along the way because it does make a difference. And we want to support the immune system with nutrition and food and supplementation. We don't want to be causing more inflammation to continue the attack. So if you've got any questions about autoimmune, or if you have any autoimmune problems, or you just want some help with your hair loss or hair thinning, I'm always here to help. You can email me at info@absolute.com.au.